So yeah, we're here at my house putting in our newest billboard for the Suburban Reformation. This is a Suburban Meadow. Very excited to be able to do this. It's many years in the making. I've always wanted to do what I've done for others at my own house. So very excited to see this get put in the ground today and be again another model for what we can do with these marginal areas. And this is a perfect place for us to be able to do this. Might end up doing like groups of 4 for these, but I'm kind of keeping it in this line, and I'm thinking like the edges start being framed by the grasses, so it's like a amphitheater kind of thing.
Cool, love it. A little curvature on the sides.
Beautiful. It's a perfect canvas. Flower backdrop of Northwind. That's good.
A little bit closer.
No, that's good for now.
You want to do 2 and 2? Okay, put this one over there and leave the middle open? Okay.
So let's start breaking out the schizachyrium out of the flats. 2, 3, 3. I'm thinking it looks nice. Next up, we can grab the Pycnanthemum uticum. When doing our Suburban Meadow layouts, I always start with the grasses first because I look at that as the main structure and kind of framing for where the flowers go. Because I kind of look at the flowers as more temporal in the season, and they kind of come and go with their flower and visual interest in that way. Whereas the grasses have a bit more consistency throughout the space during the entire season, and then especially during the fall where they really shine with their seed heads and the color changing. That's where these are more so planted in blocks, whereas the flowers can be blocks or accents throughout the space. So, and then, yeah, let's swap the aster and the achillea.